Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from course program code AS120 and our course group is S1202_4 and today we're going to represent the topic of technique of differentiation. My name is Rifah Batisha binti Hafizul and my student ID is 2024226874.
My name is Nurul Humaira Balkis binti Muhammad Zakaria and my student ID is 2024242186.
Hi, my name is Nurul Hafizah binti Muhammad Hamzah. My student ID is 2024234126.
Hi, my name is Rajana Shafika binti Raja Muhammad Shukri. My student ID is 20242115 and 256.
So, as you can see here, we are preparing a video on the technique of differentiation. Me and my friends will explain everything clearly in the next part. Differentiation sounds fancy, right? But what does it really mean? Let's explore. Differentiation means finding how quickly something changes. For example, speed tells us how fast distance changes over time. It's like finding the slope of a curve at one point. It shows the exact change at that moment, not the average. We use it to find highest or lower point, and to work out speed and acceleration, and also to draw a line that touch a curve called tangent. Oh, now we know that what differentiation is. Let's dive into the technique. First, we have power rule, used when differentiate terms with power of x. 2, we have constant rule. The derivative of any constant is 0. 3, we have constant multiply rule. If a constant multiply a function, you can take the constant outside. 4, we have sum and difference rule. Differentiate each term separately. 5, we have product rule, used when two functions are multiplied. 6, we have quotient rule, used when one function is divided by another. 7, we have chain rule, used when you have a function inside another function. And lastly, we have implicit differentiation, used when it's hard to write y implicit as a function of x. You differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x, treating y as a function of x. For example, x squared plus y squared equal to 25, and also the equation is involve a mix of both x and y.
So the question 2, the question asks to find the derivative of y with respect to x for the following function. In this question, we use technique of differentiation to solve this question. Here we have two theorems that we can use in this question. We have product rule and quotient rule. For product rule is more suitable for question that linear that have two different functions. While for quotient rule is suitable for fraction that the denominator and numerator is different function. So, as you all can see, the formula for product rule is u v prime plus v u prime. To find the prime, as example, the v prime, we need to find the derivative of v. So in this question, we can spot they have two different functions. So the question A, the question consists of two parts. For the first one, 3x squared is a polynomial, while the second in bracket x plus 2 is trigonometric function. So for question B, this is a fraction, where the numerator is 4x plus 2, while the denominator is cos x. Let's solve question A. So for question A, we have 3x squared secant in bracket s plus 2. So the first part is we need to choose which one is u and which one is v. After that, we need to find the derivative of each function. Because this question is linear, so we can use u v prime plus v u prime, product rule. U will multiply with v prime plus v multiply with u prime. Final answer is 3x squared secant in bracket s plus 2 tangent in bracket x plus 2 plus 6x secant x plus 2. So for question B, we have 4x plus 2 as a numerator and the denominator is cos x. We back on the first part is we need to choose which one is u and which one is v. So for the u, we're going to choose the numerator, and for v, we're going to choose the denominator. After choose the function u and v, now we're going to need to find the derivative of each function. For u, the derivative is 4, while for v, the derivative is negative sine x. So because of this question is fraction, so we need to use quotient rule to solve this question. So for quotient rule, the formula is v will multiply with u prime minus u will multiply with v prime divided by v squared. So the final answer for this question is 4x cos x plus in bracket 4x plus 2 sin x divided by cos square x.
The next one, we are moving to the question number 3. The function is y ln 3x minus e to the power of 2x plus 1 minus tan 4y equals to 0. You find dy dx using implicit differentiation. The important part using implicit differentiation is you must add dy over dx to any function that y are mentioned. So we are moving to the first step. The first step is you need to recognize how much function that are mentioned. Such as in this question, we are having 3 functions, which is the first function we use product rule, which is u and v. The first function is y ln 3x. Since we are using product rule, we need to recognize which is u and v. Let u is y and let v is ln 3x. Since u is y, so u prime is dy over dx. And then the next one, since v is ln 3x, so v prime is 1 over 3x multiplied by 3. According to the formula of product rule, which is u multiplied by v prime plus v multiplied by u prime, we need to insert our information in the formula and we will get y over x plus ln 3x multiplied by dy over dx. For the second function, which is negative e to the power of 2x plus 1, we will differentiate this function and get negative 2e to the function of 2x plus 1. And the third function is negative tan 4y. We will differentiate this function and get negative 4 second square 4y multiplied by dy over dx. Back to the original function and we will insert our new information that we have calculated just now. We will get y over x plus ln 3x multiplied by dy over dx minus 2e to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 4 second square 4y multiplied by dy over dx equals to 0. As you can see, the function that has dy over dx are stay at the left, and then the function that has no dy dx will be moved to the right. After that, we need to factorize dy over dx at the left. The next step is move ln 3x minus 4 second square 4y to the left. And then you will get the answer is 2e to the power of 2x plus 1 minus y over x divided by ln 3x minus 4 second square 4y.
And for the last question, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem by using linear approximation. First, we replace the number 80.99 into x. And then we convert the radicals to rational exponents. After converting it to rational exponents, now we have to differentiate it. After that, we will use this formula where x is the given value, which is 80.99, and x naught is the chosen value, which is an integer that are closest to the value of x, which is 81. Now that we have all the informations, we just use the linear approximation formula to solve this problem. After putting all the numbers in the equation, we can solve this problem by using the calculator. As you can see from the calculator, I got 2.777671468. But we have to round it up as the question asks for 3 decimal places. That's all for this problem. Thank you.